Hey everyone, Susie Evans here. I just wanted to share, I was listening to Oprah the other night on a podcast, and she was interviewing the author, I can't remember her name, Julie, someone, on her new book, Mattering. And it just made me reflect on winning my recent Citizen of the Year award at my local council, District Council of Karoonda, East Murray, and just how that mattering and connection and how our brains are designed to connect, and the importance of me being awarded that in the community was just amazing. That, you know, the connection, you can have AI, you can have social media, everything, but it is so important for us to have that human connection. And in particular in rural communities, it's really important that we keep a safe space, that people feel that they belong and that they're not alone, and that they can connect with others. Just really important, and really humbled again at receiving such a important award.